Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles, your trusted source for real classic motorcycle listings across the United States. Today's lineup brings American V-twin muscle, British parallel twin heritage, and legendary Japanese four-cylinder performance, all at real-world asking prices. Let's get into it. Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,400. Location: Independence, Missouri. This 1981 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a solid early ADS American V-twin with documented upgrades and strong rider appeal. Described as a great bike with a great history, this example features a rebuilt generator, upgraded carburetor, new rear tire, new chain, highway pegs, and a replacement seat, while retaining the original saddle. The seller states, "It rides great and delivers the unmistakable classic Harley sound." Priced at $3,400 in Missouri, this Sportster represents an accessible entry into vintage Harley ownership, with practical mechanical updates already handled. Number 2. 1975 Honda CB 750F, $4,150. Location: Muskego, Wisconsin. The 1975 Honda CB 750F stands as one of the most influential superbikes of the 1970s, building on a legendary inline-four platform that reshaped the American market. This orange example shows 16,500 miles and has been completely rebuilt using original parts, with only the muffler and side covers replaced. It has been garage-kept and carefully stored. Described as rodent-free and well-maintained, at $4,150, this Wisconsin CB 750F offers strong value for riders seeking a freshly rebuilt classic Japanese four-cylinder, with long-term reliability and collector credibility. Number 3. 1973 Norton 750 Commando, $7,000. Location: Aquaka, Illinois. This early 1973 Norton 750 Commando is a January build, numbers matching example purchased locally from its original owner. With known history since new and a clear title in hand, it represents the kind of documented provenance collectors look for. The bike has received many new parts after being revived from storage and reportedly starts easily, often on the first kick, then runs and rides well. At $7,000, this Illinois Commando offers authentic British twin performance, with strong documentation and increasing market desirability. Number 4. 1977 Triumph Bonneville T140V, $6,500. Location: Urbandale, Iowa. The 1977 Triumph Bonneville T140V 750 remains one of the most recognizable British twins of the late 1970s, showing 16,000 miles and recently serviced at Baxter Cycle. This example benefits from numerous new components, including Amal carburetors, intake boots, air filters, brake pads, hoses, plugs, mufflers, and progressive rear shocks. The seller describes it as riding like a new bike and ready for the season. Offered at $6,500, with consideration for offers, this Iowa listing combines refreshed mechanical confidence with classic Bonneville styling. Number 5. 1978 Kawasaki KZ 750 Twin, $3,000. Location: North Lake, Illinois. This 1978 Kawasaki Heavy Industries KZ 750 Twin has been transformed into a cafe racer using quality components, rather than low-end aftermarket parts. The bike runs great with no oil leaks, and has recently gone through a full winter checkover. Finished in green with vintage-style paint that shows some patina, it balances custom character with mechanical reliability. Although the aftermarket speedometer reads 41,000 miles and may not reflect true mileage, the bike includes a clean title, along with a service manual and documentation. At $3,000, this Illinois KZ delivers custom style with usable performance. Number 6. The 1975 Yamaha XS 500B. listed at $1,500 in Lititz, Pennsylvania, is one of those overlooked mid-1970s Japanese twins that quietly build a reputation for smooth power and approachable handling. This red example shows just 12,000 miles and is presented as a fun, beginner-friendly classic. The electric starter works intermittently, but the bike retains a functional kickstarter. It features a two-stage carburetor system and is rideable as is, though there is a noted transition quirk between idle and main jet that may benefit from tuning. The price is negotiable, and the seller includes riding gear and custom wind saddlebags. For buyers seeking an affordable entry into vintage Japanese ownership, this XS500B offers character with minimal financial risk. Number 7. The 1971 Triumph Bonneville, offered at $4,000 in Paris, Kentucky, represents the heart of British twin performance during the muscle bike era. This black example shows 20,000 miles and is described as being in good condition, starting and running well with good tires. Largely stock in appearance, it retains the timeless lines that made the Bonneville an icon in the American market. The seller is open to trades involving classic cars or trucks. At $4,000, this Bonneville sits at a competitive price point for a running, rideable early 1970s British twin as values continue to trend upward. Number 8. The 1975 Suzuki GT750, priced at $7,000 in Marble Rock, Iowa, is famously known as the Water Buffalo and stands out as one of the most unique two-stroke triples ever sold in America thanks to its liquid-cooled engine. This red example is a one-owner bike that belonged to the seller's grandfather, with the title now in the seller's name. It reportedly ran when parked 3 years ago and will likely require recommissioning before returning to the road. Original one-owner GT 750S with documented family history are increasingly difficult to find. At $7,000, this bike reflects growing collector interest in large displacement two-strokes. Number 9. The 1966 BSA Spitfire Mark II, listed at $4,800 in Jasper, Alabama, was marketed as one of the fastest standard production BSAs of its time. Powered by a high-compression 654 cubic centimeters parallel twin, this red example represents the performance-focused side of mid-1960s British engineering. Designed to compete directly with the Triumph Bonneville, it features twin Amal GP carburetors, 12-volt electrics, and distinctive humpbacked fiberglass bodywork. At $4,800, it appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate the sharper, more aggressive edge of BSA's lineup during the height of the British motorcycle wars. Number 10. The 1973 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead, offered at $4,600 in Lake Forest, Illinois, represents classic American big twin heritage from the early AMF era. Finished in gray, this example is described as running and driving and comes with a new battery. It features 6 over-front tubes and a ratchet top transmission, enhancing its vintage appeal. Purchased from a long-term owner of more than 30 years, it includes a clean title and is offered at $4,600 or best offer. In today's market, running and titled shovelheads under $5,000 are becoming increasingly uncommon. Number 11. The 1964 BSA Thunderbolt 650, priced at $3,695 in Daytona Beach, Florida, reflects an earlier generation of BSA's single-carb 650 twin lineup. Known for strong torque and straightforward maintenance, this black example shows 15,500 miles and is described as original, running great, and starting on the first kick. New components are limited to normal wear items such as tires, tubes, rim strips, battery, and cables. After reportedly spending around 30 years in a collection, the bike has been ridden regularly and is now ready for its next caretaker. Offered at $3,695 cash in person, it represents a solid rider-quality British twin in the current U.S. classic market. Number 12. The 1972 Honda CB 504, priced at $3,000 in Corinth, Mississippi, represents the golden era of early Japanese inline-four engineering, delivering smooth power and everyday reliability in a classic mid-size package. This red example shows 15,000 miles and comes with a clean title. Recent maintenance includes all 4 carburetors rebuilt, a new chain, a new battery, fresh oil, and new fuel lines, key service items that make it ready for regular riding. The seller also includes 2 helmets and a box of original factory components, including handlebars, gauges, and a front fender, adding value for collectors who appreciate originality. At $3,000, this CB504 sits squarely in the sweet spot of the U.S. classic market as a clean, well-sorted vintage Honda that runs and shifts great. Number 13. The BSA Gold Star Racing Vintage, offered at $9,500 in St. Petersburg, Florida, stands as one of the most legendary British performance singles ever built, taken to an even higher level in this racing-focused example. Built for speed, this machine reportedly won first place in 2012 and placed second the following year. The Gold Star engine alone is said to have over $15,000 invested and is paired with a B31 frame and an RRT gearbox. It achieved 115 miles per hour in the flying mile at Bonneville before a magneto issue ended a record attempt and now runs a functioning Lucas Racing magneto. It requires a roller start and carries a clear title. At $9,500, this is not just a motorcycle. It is a purpose-built vintage race machine with documented performance pedigree in American competition history. Number 14. 1974 Jawa CZ175, $1,000. Location, Owatonna, Minnesota. This 1974 Jawa CZ175 is described as a rare small displacement European 2-stroke finished in brown. The engine rolls over with strong compression and shifts through all gears, though the oil lines have deteriorated from age and will need replacement before regular use. The inside of the tank reportedly looks good, and the seller notes it should be relatively straightforward to bring back to running condition. It is being sold with a bill of sale only, though assistance with paperwork is mentioned. At $1,000, this listing is clearly positioned as an affordable restoration or revival project for collectors of Eastern European classics. Number 15. 1980 Yamaha XS6 50 Spirit 2, $975. Location, Kankakee, Illinois. This 1980 Yamaha XS6 50 Spirit 2 is offered at $975 with a clean title and is described as running and riding. Major electrical components, including the headlight, taillight, brake light, horn, and gauges, are functioning. However, the turn signals currently do not work and may require switch attention. The front brake is reported as good, the rear brake is nearing replacement, and the front tire shows weathering, while the rear tire remains in better condition. The XS650 is one of Yamaha's most popular vintage twins, known for durability and strong aftermarket support. At under $1,000, this example represents a budget-friendly entry into classic 650 ownership, with room for minor mechanical updates. That's today's lineup of real classic motorcycle listings across the United States. If you enjoy these market updates, make sure to like and subscribe to AZ Timeless Motorcycles. We bring you fresh classic motorcycles for sale every single day.